In this video, we will be learning how to unblock someone on Roblox mobile application. To block a friend or someone on Roblox, open the Roblox application like you normally do and log into your account. From the homepage of Roblox, tap the More button at the bottom right corner, and then from the expanded pop-up menu where you can see all these options, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Now, click on Blocked Users under Privacy Settings, and you will be able to see the list of people that you've blocked. Tap the Unblock button right next to the user to unblock them on Roblox. And there you have it. That is how you easily unblock a contact on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.